Hello and welcome to another episode of Grant James Property Tours. I'm Grant and this week I'm in Woking in Surrey touring a new development of 56 apartments from Westmead Properties. So today we're going to be looking around two of the one-bedroom show homes, which are really nicely presented. I really like the way that these have been laid out, the way the furniture's been set up, and I think there's some good ideas that you'll be able to reproduce in your own home or on your own project. So I've added some links in the description for some of the items I found, so you can go and take a look. This video isn't sponsored, but I'd like to say thanks to Zokan from Seymours New Homes for letting me tour his listing and giving me the chance to share it with you guys today. I was honestly really impressed with the quality of these apartments. So the studio's on the market for £197,500 and the two bedrooms on the market for £220,000. The location in these apartments is excellent as well, which I'll show you in the second part of the video. If you've got any questions or need any more information, Zoe's contact details are in the description below. Let's go take a look. First thing you notice is the fantastic quality finishes. From the Carndean wooden flooring, this fantastic fitted kitchen with plenty of storage, built-in washing machine and fridge. I love all the attention to detail that the developers thought of. From the stainless steel plug sockets with USB plugs, so you can charge your smartphone while you're cooking. The high quality oak doors and stainless steel door handles are a really nice touch. And talking of luxury, come and check out this bathroom. I love the marble effect tiles, really gives this space a sense of luxury. It has a waterfall shower and a full-size bath. Again, really rare for new build developments. And all the fittings and sanitary ware are really top quality. And making our way through the apartment, it also features underfloor heating and smartphone controlled lighting. So let's go and check out the bedroom. What a fantastic space. Plenty of room for a double bed and ample room for storage. So let's go and check out the other apartment. I'm coming through into the communal area. I love the design with the geometric tiles, a nice bit of history for Woking. And for the apartments that aren't on the ground floor, there's also a lift. So again, this is the same high quality as the first, with these fantastic Carndean wooden floors with underfloor heating. Excellent detail in the modern and contemporary kitchens. And a beautiful marble bathroom with excellent attention to detail on the sanitary ware and on the door fittings and joinery throughout this property. So moving through now into the bedroom. This is a one-bedroom apartment with an excellent space. So let's go and take a look at the area. Woking Town Centre is currently undergoing a £460 million regeneration project, including a flagship Hilton hotel with Sky Bar. There's a good selection of shops, bars and restaurants, including chain favourites and independent specialists. And there's a newly renovated 7-screen cinema and a theatre which features West End productions. Woking is ideally situated for commuting into London. From the City of London, a single tube stop on the Waterloo and City line will connect you to South Western Railway services to Woking. Services take just 24 minutes non-stop and one as frequently as every 5 minutes. From Woking Station, the apartments are a brisk 5 minutes walk away. Within walking distance from the town centre, there are beautiful canal-side towpaths of the Basingstoke Canal leading to the River Way, and the enchanting forest of Horsell Common leading to the picturesque McLaren Park. And just a short drive away, you'll find the stunning Surrey Hills. Whether you're looking for off-road cycling trails or relaxing country walks, you'll find it all on your doorstep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the algorithm to help me out. If you want to see more property tours and inspiration for your own home, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification to get updates whenever I post new videos, which hopefully will be every week. And please add a comment in the description to let me know what you like, what you didn't like, the kind of things that you're looking for, so I can make more of the kind of things that you guys are interested in.